Top 5 Best Drum Set for Kids. Number 5. Music Alley Kids 3-Piece Beginner's Drum Kit. Looking for an awesome value? If so, you'll want to take a closer look at this 3-piece drum kit from Music Alley. While it doesn't come with a snare, it does include 2 hanging toms and a bass drum with pedal, as well as a mounted cymbal. A foldable drum throne and a pair of drumsticks come with the set, so your junior drummer can start playing right away. Coming in number 4. Mendini 3-Piece Kids Drum Set. Like its larger 5-piece cousin, the Mendini 3-Piece Kids Drum Set offers a good value. Ideal for kids who are just getting started with drums and designed to fit those between the ages of about 3 and 6 years old, it comes with an 8 inches by 13 inches bass drum pedal, 6 by 8 inches mounted tom, 8 inches cymbal, and 4 by 10 inches mounted snare. The kit includes everything your child needs to start playing right away, including a padded throne and a pair of wooden drumsticks. Coming in number 3. Rock Jam 3-Piece Junior Drum Set. The Rock Jam is a 3-piece drum set designed for young, energetic drummers between the ages of 3 to 7 years. It is a great starter kit for children in love with music. The set comes in 3 colors: red, blue, or black. It features a bass drum with a chain-driven foot pedal and 4 lugs to keep it steady. The bass drum is also known as a kick drum, and it produces low tones when played with a foot pedal. You may find your child getting attached to the Rock Jam Junior drum set, which features a snare drum that can be played independently without needing other drums. Included in the set is a small-sized pair of wooden drumsticks that are light and perfect for your kids' small hands but still very durable. Other parts are a hanging or mounted tom-tom, crash cymbals that make exciting sounds when played, stands to keep the drums, and an adjustable cushion drum throne for your kid to sit on and enjoy. The quality of the Rock Jam is unmatched. The drum heads are easy to tune with the key, and when tuned right, the sound is pretty cool for a child drum set. Pros: very durable and sturdy drum set. Features a snare drum. High-quality drums. Stand-alone snare drum. Has instructions for easy assembling. Sound is unique and professional. Great value for money. Cons: foot pedal might be quite stiff for a child. Drums could be quite loud depending on how tightly screwed you make it. Quite small for older children. Coming in number 2. Mendini Junior 5-Piece Complete Kit. The Mendini by Cecilio Junior drum set is the cheapest drum set for kids that's actually useful. Why? As you might hear, the sound potential is very similar to that of the Gammon Junior 5-Piece Complete Set. And the same goes for price and hardware durability. The only thing that sets the 2 drum sets apart is that the Mendini kit comes in 6 color options. That's not a huge difference, but from my experience, color can influence a child's motivation to practice. Pros: cheapest complete drum junior sized set on the market. This set includes everything needed to start playing. Surprisingly good sound for a junior kid set. Cons: low quality cymbals and hi-hat. Coming in number 1. Mendini 16-inch 3-piece drum set. When looking for kids or junior drum sets, you are considering one that has the basics necessary for your child to become interested in drumming. The Mendini 16-inch is a perfect choice for that. It is excellent for kids 2.5 to 5 foot tall and is available in several attractive colors. Featuring 3 drums and a cymbal, your child will look forward to drum sessions on this model. The 16-inch bass drum has 6 lugs on each side of the head to keep the drum stable, while the hanging tom and snare each have 5 lugs on the sides of their heads. Other necessary parts include bass drum pedal, cymbal holder, snare drum stand, drum throne, an assembly manual, and 2 drumsticks. There is no floor drum or hi-hat, but your kid will enjoy spending time on it regardless. Pros: excellent starter drum kit for children. Assembly is easy to perform with the manual provided. Sound quality is not bad for a junior drum set. Affordable. Durable and sturdy hardware. Cons: low quality cymbal.